Hey there, Rugs here. I'm here to share a really exciting update about the YGG community and Mr. John Sedano's recent interview on ABS-CBN. It's fantastic to hear about the success of the YGG Play Summit and how it's making waves in the gaming and Web3 space. From what Mr. Sedano shared, the event was not only a massive hit in terms of gaming competition with that $100K prize pool, but also a key moment for the Philippines to showcase its growing influence in the Web3 ecosystem. The integration of blockchain, NFTs, and gaming tokens with real world value seems to be a game changer, especially with the example of in-game assets that can be converted into real money. Definitely an exciting concept for players. It's also great to hear that the Web3 Metaversity is playing a crucial role in educating people about crypto and blockchain, offering job and internship opportunities in the process. The fact that YGG is attracting potential sponsors and new attendees shows how much momentum Web3 gaming is gaining in the country. The enthusiasm is very contagious. I'm sure many gamer and Web3 enthusiasts will be inspired to check out YGG. If you are looking to be part of an innovative and supportive community, I'm looking forward to hearing more about future events like YPS. I'm Rugs and thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog.